In this video, we will show you how to use the Rainfall tab in the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard. The Rainfall tab shows the current year-to-date rainfall status across the state. On the map panel, Weather Station layer is turned on by default, showing these data as percentile categories, ranging from extremely dry to extremely wet. This data comes from the North Carolina State Climate Office, using percentiles categories provided by the U.S. Geological Survey. The information panel shows historical rainfall data for a selected weather station. You could choose the station by either clicking the weather station point on the map or by using the Select a Weather Station drop-down field. Once you've selected a weather station, a black circular border will appear around the station on the map. The information panel shows a few pieces of information: the station name, ID, last observation, and links to both the data source and how to obtain more data for that station. The first chart shows the monthly precipitation for the selected station for each historical year selected. The current year will always be shown in black. The y-axis shows the monthly accumulated precipitation in inches, while the x-axis is each calendar month. Using your mouse, you can hover over the chart to get the monthly precipitation for a specific month and year. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart, to save the chart as an image, to click to zoom, to pan the chart, to zoom in, zoom out, and reset the chart. The second chart shows a cumulative precipitation for that station, based on the historical years you select. The current year will always be selected and shown in black. The y-axis shows the year-to-date accumulated precipitation in inches, while the x-axis shows the days of the year. You can hover over the chart to get the year-to-date accumulated precipitation for a specific date. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right in the chart, as the same way shown in the previous chart. For additional assistance, use the Help button. The next video in this series will cover how to use the Surface Water Data tab. You can find all the videos in the series on the Internet of Water Coalition's website and YouTube channel. Links to both are provided on the screen and in the video description below. Thank you for watching.